Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to mine Humanity Protocol. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to mine it free of charge without investing any money. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Make use of the comment section if you have any question for me. So once you copy the link to your browser, this is the interface you're going to see. So make sure you use Connect Wallet to sign up. Don't use your email. Don't use your email. Make use of Connect Wallet. After you've connected your MetaMask wallet, there will be a space for you to input your email and your information and all that to sign up. The reason is that when you use Connect Wallet, it's your wallet address that will be registered on your dashboard. But if you use email to register, they are going to give you a wallet. I don't know how you'll be able to access the wallet. So make sure you use your own wallet so that your wallet will be the one that will be registered on your dashboard. So once you've connected your wallet and signed up, it's going to bring you to this interface. So the first thing you can do is to go down. You see here that it shows connect social media. So just tap on it and make sure you connect all your social media, guys. Make sure you connect all your social media. You can see only the connection of my social media is giving me 60%. You get? So in reward, it's giving me 60% in reward. So make sure you go ahead and connect it. And it's very, very simple. So let this load up so that you see how it's lined up. So you can see I've connected my X, my Google, my Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn, and other ones. So it's very simple. Make sure you connect. Just for you to tap on it, it will redirect you. Then you follow the procedure and connect. Then after you've done that, let me go back. Let me show you something. So what I was saying initially, so once you connect, use your wallet to sign up. See, if you check here, you see it's your wallet that will be on your account. Your wallet, your main wallet will be on your account. But if you didn't do that, you're going to be seeing a different wallet completely. So it's better you use your wallet to sign up. Then after that, you go to this website. Let me show you the website here. Let me show you. You come to this website. That's testnet.humanity.org. So let me show you what you'll be doing here, guys. So you see this website. For you to get Humanity Protocol Testnet token, make sure you come here every 1 minute. You can be getting 1 THP per request. So each time you paste your wallet address here, you're going to be getting 1 every time. So what you should do is just come, paste your address and click on this request. That's all you need to do every time. So just click on request and you can see I have received 1 THP. So guys, I will show you what else you can do. Just follow me. So the next thing you should do is go to this website. So this is cloud.google.com. I'll be leaving all the link in the description of this video. So in this website, you'll be getting free Sepolia ETH. You'll be getting it free. So here you'll be getting 0.05. So let it load up. So you see how it works. And it's very simple, guys. No stress. So once you come to this website, just copy your wallet address. You see here, just paste it. So let me change this. I think I've touched on. Let me change it to Sepolia 8. Okay, here. So let me change it to Sepolia 8. This is it here. So just paste your address. Here. Let me paste my address. So once you come here, paste your address, then click on receive 0.05 Sepolia 8. So just tap on it. It's going to give you this. So make sure every time you come and take this, guys, make sure every time you come and take this, every time. Then I will the next website I'm going to show you is where you can bridge it. Once you bridge it to Humanity Testnet token, your dashboard will start mining for you, and you'll be able to claim every 24 hours. You'll be able to claim, or every 12 hours. Let me so you can see testnet token sent. Check your wallet address. So this has been sent to my wallet. Then what this is the next website you should go. This website here now. So this is the site, bridge.testnet.humanity.org. So once you come here, the first thing you should do is to click on this add to MetaMask. Click it to add this Humanity Protocol Testnet information to your MetaMask. If you don't have it already in your MetaMask, then the next step is for you to click on connect wallet. So connect your MetaMask. So once you do that, your wallet will be connected. You can see it here. Your wallet is connected. Then what you should do is come here. Then you see it's on Sepolia Testnet. So once you tap on it, you can change it to HP Testnet. So first of all, let's bridge Sepolia Testnet. So once it's on Sepolia Testnet, just come down here, select Ether. So once you select Ether, you see now that it's showing 0.053 Sepolia. So now I'll just click on the amount. I'll just put in the amount. Let me put 0.01. Let me put in the amount 0.01. So 0.01. So after you've put in the amount, then click on continue. Then here you're just going to click on bridge. So confirm the transaction. So all these things we are doing, you are not using your money. These are all testnet tokens. So you are not using your money to do any of this. So let the payment go through. Okay, transaction submitted. So let me just wait for it to be confirmed. So you can see transaction successful. So you don't need to buy any Sepolia ETH to do this. You don't need to buy any Sepolia ETH. You don't need to buy any THP token, that is Humanity Testnet Protocol token. So you don't need. What you need, go to those sites I show you, accumulate as many as you can, and you can always bridge. So let me go back. Transaction completed. Now let me bridge this HP Testnet to Sepolia. So I'll just come here, there it shows Sepolia, then change it to this testnet. So it will come up. Now it has come up. So Sepolia Testnet down. Then let me just bridge like 10 token. So then I'll click on continue. So this, you can be doing it every day. So for the THP faucet, you can be getting it every 1 minute. So every 1 minute you can accumulate as many as you can. So every 1 minute. So let me bridge this. So once you do this, the transactions will be recorded in your wallet. Then your mining will start. Your mining will start. So let me just finish bridging this. Let me show you how you can be claiming your token. So guys, make sure you use my referral link. It will be in the description of this video. Make sure you use it, and I'll really appreciate it. Thank you. So guys, that's how you can bridge. Just bridge the HP testnet, that's Humanity Protocol Testnet, to Sepolia ETH. then bridge back, just like that, just like that, just like that. So now confirming the transaction. So guys, after you've done the bridging, come back to your account, then you see where it says claim Genesis. Just tap on it and approve the transaction to claim your Genesis. Then after you've done that, once it says successful, then you have to wait for some few hours for your account to start mining. But make sure you've connected all your social media platforms to increase your reward ratio. So you see this, you see my own timing is still reading. I have 16 hours 41 seconds 41 minutes left for me to come and claim another reward. So that's what you'll be doing to claim your daily reward every day. Then you can copy your referral code and share with your friends, guys, to earn more points. So make sure you use my referral code, and I'll really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.